I'll show you how you can add Whop pod onto your Telegram. First off, from your Whop, you want to first pick which Whop you want. After that, on number 1, you want to go ahead and tap on Add Apps. Number 2, you want to find Telegram, and then you want to tap on Add App, the purple button there. After that, you'll see this window right here. You want to go ahead and tap on Connect Telegram first so you can connect it to your Telegram channel. Once you connect the Telegram, you can now tap on this. You'll verify it, right? Once it has verified, you'll see on the next verify, you can see now we can start adding channel. You can tap on Add Channel to add any channel you want on Telegram. Once that's done, you can now log in with your Telegram, and now you can view this as a viewer. So you can preview this as a user, right? So you can see what it will look like later for any of your clients or any of your subscriber. Now, once that's done, you can now just edit the access so you can see who can get this access to the Telegram channel. So for example, if the regular membership, now they'll be able to access the Telegram channel for the price of $5 if they're a regular membership. So if they're a member, they get access to this Telegram channel.